everyone again! Today I want to continue the wedding jewelry theme, and in this video I'm going to learn you how to create pearl long earrings from a small amount of materials. This tutorial is suitable for beginners and for experienced masters as well. I invite you to watch other tutorials about earrings on my channel. All links will be in the description. Please support my channel, subscribe, put a thumbs up and share this video. Well, let's begin! Enjoy watching! I hope that everything I have showed in this video was clear for you. If you have any questions, write to me in the comments. If you like this tutorial, share it in social networks and click on the bell below to get the updates in time. I wish you creative inspiration and beautiful works. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!